Hey, it's Vinny and Daddio out there hitting the road today. Get a little adventure going. Just see what's out there, out and about.
It's gonna be a good day today.
Yes, it is. We'll update later. Oh, starting up the trail here.
Wow.
Nice little adventure. So, ready to go.
Look at that.
That's going to be a good trail. Well, made it back. Good day, good walk. Got to see some nice things. Just chilling. Kick back, eat a couple Jamaican beef patties. Enjoy the rest of the afternoon. Thank you.